Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this padded shirt dress using an oversized men's shirt. Let's jump right into this tutorial. So the first thing you need is obviously an oversized men's shirt, shoulder pads, needle and thread, and some pins. So step number one, the collar was too big for me, so I had to cut it off to get the granddad collar type. So I'm just going to cut this off. Then I'm going to measure my shoulders. I already know my shoulder measurements and I just added about an inch just to make it a bit wider. So what I use for this is 6 inches. So I'm going to pin it and then cut off the sleeves, but make sure that you leave some allowance on the side because that's the part you're going to fold in. So after this, I'm going to take my shoulder pads. These ones were too big for me, so I had to trim it and make it a bit smaller. And then put it over there where the pin ends, pin it in place. And then I'm just going to fold the excess fabric around the shoulder pads. So it's basically like you're wrapping the shoulder pads. So pin it down and then you sew it. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my needle and thread and sew along the seams of the shoulders of the shirt just to secure the shoulder pads. It doesn't necessarily have to be small. I just made like a few big ones and that was it. I'm just hemming the inside of it just to make sure the fabric doesn't move, and that's it. So you do the same thing on the other side, and when you turn it around, that's your entire shirt dress, shoulder pad shirt dress. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.